Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the 9 joints of the upper extremity. I will speak out the joint's name, its ligaments, and its special features, if there are any. The articular surfaces of the joints, their type, shape, and range of motion will only be blended in. We start with the articulatio sternoclavicularis, whose joint capsule contains an articular disc. The ligaments originate from the clavicula and insert into the 3 nearest bones, so that we have ligamentum costoclaviculare, sternoclaviculare, anterior and posterior, and interclaviculare. The articulatio acromioclavicularis also has 3 ligaments. The ligamentum acromioclaviculare, coracoclaviculare, and coracoacromiale. Next, we have the articulatio glenohumeralis, which has a few special structures. I will name them from inside out. First, we have the labrum glenoidalis, which extends the articular surface a little bit. The joint capsule originates further away from the labrum on the column scapulae and inserts on the column anatomicum humeri. The joint capsule has 2 bulges, the recessus axillaris and the vagina synovialis intertubercularis for the tendon of the long head of the biceps. The tendon originates from the tuberculum supraglenoidale and runs between the synovial and fibrous membranes of the joint capsule. Now the most external part, the stabilizing ligaments. Ligamentum glenohumerale superior, medium, inferior, coracohumerale, and transversum humeri. The shoulder is a collective term for articulatio sternoclavicularis, acromioclavicularis, glenohumeralis, and for the scapulothoracic joint, a functional connection between the scapula and thorax. The elbow region consists of 3 articulations, each with its own articular surfaces. However, the joint capsule encapsulates all 3 articulations so that they are collectively referred to as the compound joint articulatio cupiti. Its joint capsule inserts inferiorly into the epicondylus of the humerus, to the neck of the radius, and the margin of the articular surfaces of the ulna. The joint is stabilized by ligamentum collaterale radiale and ulnare, quadratum, and annulare radii. The radius and ulna are connected to each other by 3 joints. The articulatio radio-ulnaris proximalis, which is a part of articulatio cupiti, the syndesmosis radio-ulnaris, consisting of chorda obliqua and membrana interossea antebrachii, and the articulatio radio-ulnaris distalis. The joint cavity of the latter is limited distally by an articular disc. The joint is stabilized by the ligamentum radio-ulnare palmare and dorsale. The articulatio radiocarpalis also has ligaments with similar names: ligamentum radiocarpale palmare and dorsale, ulnocarpale palmare and dorsale, and additionally ligamentum collaterale radiale and ulnare. Lastly, we will talk about the articulatio manus, which is a collective term for 5 types of joints. To memorize these 5 types with ease, we need to remember that the hand can be divided into 3 sections: the carpal bones, the metacarpal bones, and the phalangeal bones. Now add the prefix inter, and you have the respective joints. Articulatio intercarpalis, intermetacarpalis, and interphalangealis. The last one with the subtypes proximalis, distalis, and pollicis. Now, if you go one level above, you have the joints between the three sections. The already mentioned articulatio radiocarpalis, carpometacarpalis, and metacarpophalangealis. The ligaments have the same name as the articulations. All articulations have a palmar ligament. All articulations have a dorsal ligament, except the articulations with a phalangeal in the name, they have a collateral ligament. The intercarpal and intermetacarpal articulations have also an interosseous ligament, and the metacarpophalangeal articulation also has a ligamentum metacarpale transversum. Alright guys, that's it for the joints and ligaments of the upper extremity. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if something is unclear. Thanks for watching and see you next time.